there, my name is Lisa and I'm the owner of Lollipop Box Club, and today I'm going to give you a little look at what's coming in June. Now, as I am opening this ahead of time, the kits this month will go out on the 18th of June. And as it's early and the kit is full of surprises, I will only be showing you bits and pieces. Many of the surprises will remain a surprise, so it's just to give you a little feel of what's coming this month. This month the kit is called Be Happy. It's all about obviously being happy, being positive, being cheerful, being thoughtful, being kind, being the best person you can, and believing in yourself. It's a real feel-good kit this month. Starts off with a postcards inside. Many people do use these and turn them into like planner dashboards. Whoops. And then opening the kit gives you a nice feel of the colours this month. There we go. So we start off with a bumblebee planner clip. It's on a gold clip there. Got a very exciting DIY kit this month, completely different to what we've ever had before, and this idea comes from Geraldine. This will be a tutorial given to you by Geraldine, and the video will be going up as you receive your kit. I'm very excited about this one this month. I have a treat bag here for you. Many of you say this is your favorite part of the kit. You've got more postcards, notes, lists, stickers, various bits and pieces, many of which will remain a surprise. Your mystery gift, which will obviously remain a surprise. This month's stamp, let me show you. I love this. It's a little fern stamp. Really, really like that. We have an exclusive stencil. Most of this kit is exclusive. This is the mini honeycomb stencil. Got some washi, naturally a lollipop. Got some bits and pieces which I won't show you, but they're really exciting. Die cuts. I am loving the die cuts in the kits. These are made by Happy Scatter Jennifer, who also makes our stencils and some of our other stickers. I'll just show you a few bits and pieces. There's so many bits in here. We've got flowers, leaves, bumblebees, oops, we've got hexagons, and some of the pieces we've got words on them as well. Really, really love these little packs. They feel lovely quality as well. We've got stickers from Beautiful Planning. Every month Tash designs us a set of exclusive stickers to go with the kit. I really like the wording and the font used on those. And then underneath at the bottom of the kit, you've got your bag of papers. I am so happy with the papers this month. Aren't they beautiful? You get 2 of each, and they are A5 size, so they fit the box. And you also get a June calendar for your planner, and there will also be a July calendar, which I won't show you right now as it will obviously give away the theme for July. So that's your kit. There's also some weekly planner pages in there as well, and another surprise. So there's lots of surprises in this kit. I hope you like it. Please come and join us in the community chat group. Really, really is a lovely place to be, really friendly, and the subscribers share all their amazing projects that they've been making with the kit, so it's a really fun place to hang out and get some inspiration. I will link up below. I will also link the kit up below, as you can still buy one of these. And please follow me on Instagram. It's Lollipop Box Club, and also on Facebook for lots more photos and little updates of when the kits are going out, when they've been shipped, all that kind of thing. Thank you very much for joining me today. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the look of this kit, and I will see you soon. Thanks, bye.